Alright, good morning. It's Monday morning. Ready to start the week. It looks like we got accepted on that load. We're going over to White Cloud, Michigan, which is a little bit of a bounce because we're on the east side of Michigan and White Cloud's over on the west side of Michigan. But it's going down to Crawfordsville, Indiana. So gonna be fire break. So it's not 100% sure yet, but 99% sure. So hopefully it'll all work out. So we're gonna go here and deliver our belting. We're only like 10 minutes away. Just got to go up the road to one exit, and then hopefully we can get this off fairly quickly. They said they wanted it, so we'll see. But let's get out of the rest area and go up the road just a little bit. So let me get out of here and I'll talk to you when we get over to where we need to be. Alright, I'm not too sure what I'm getting into here, but we'll find out. I believe, hopefully, this is the place. 15176, that sounds about right. Let me just double check real quick. Yep. So what they use is this is like a quarry for the dirt and everything, and they use this to transfer the dirt on the big conveyors. Oh, we did get that load. So as soon as we get done here, I'm hoping they won't take long at all. I'm hoping. Let's see, it's in channel 14. Let's turn that and see if anybody yells at me. So once we get done, we got a couple hours over to get our reload. Do not enter. Watch for heavy equipment. Alright, I think we're getting up near some people here. A little bit here. Alright, let me go check in, get this thing unloaded, and talk to you in a bit. Alright, we got unloaded fairly quickly. Like I said, we did get that reload. So we're on our way to White Cloud, Michigan. About 170 miles over there. So should take us about three and a half hours to get there. So I'll talk to you when we get over there. Man, all these big pieces of machinery, it's like a little kid's paradise out here. All these toys. I gotta figure out how to get out of here. Alright. I'll see you when we get over to White Cloud. Talk to you in a bit. All right, good morning. Oh man, we are in, let's see, it's Tuesday morning. We're in Crawfordsville, Indiana. We're gonna go, we did get our load yesterday, and we got super sacks. I call it sand, but it's some kind of refractory stuff. So we did get the load that I had my name on. Yesterday turned into a long day. We drove down here. We got here last night. I know I'm kind of in the sun here, but I think there's 11 pallets on there. I am kind of tired. It was a long night last night. I got a little bit of a headache. From right here, we got 8 miles to go deliver this stuff. And it's been a couple years since I've been over here to where it's going. And I was looking on Google Maps, and they've changed some stuff around. So we'll get over there. We'll figure out what we're going to do. So talk to you in a bit. Okay, I'm editing yesterday and today's video. And today we loaded over in a steel mill, as you can see. So we're coming right on to the part where I'm driving over to the steel mill. And I thought I had some great footage because I had my little backup camera that mounts up on the back up there. And apparently what I did, this is like an extra battery pack that I mounted for the camera so it'll last longer. And when I took the camera down, I never turned the camera off, and it kept recording all day, and it ended up cycling over and recording over the footage from earlier today at the steel mill. But I'll give you a quick rundown of how it went. Got over to the steel mill. It was super busy over there. They did change everything around to how you get in and out, but I figured it out. Actually, once we got inside the steel mill, we got unloaded rather quickly and then got out. The longest process was waiting to get in. It took about an hour just waiting in line to get in. So we got unloaded, everything went good, and then we went to pick up our next load. So sorry about the footage. I had big plans. I was going to do I thought I had some great footage for today. So sorry about that, but I hope you enjoy the rest. Talk to you in a bit. All right, we got unloaded. Didn't go too bad. I don't know, let's see, it's 10 o'clock. We've been here about a little over 2 hours. Right under 2 hours. We got here about 8:30. Got untarped, got unloaded. We got a little over an hour to go to our next pickup, which is on the other side of Indianapolis, Shelbyville, I believe, Indiana. We're gonna pick up those big, long, insulated panels. We've hauled them before, and it's a nice short one. It's only going 87 miles over to Cincinnati. So it'll be a nice short day today. Go pick these up. See what else is going on. But other than that, I feel a little better. So I think again the sinus headache is more what it is that I'm dealing with the dust and the pollen and everything else. But anyway, all right, let's get over here. We got a little over an hour. And I'll talk to you when we get to, I think it's Shelbyville is where we're going. So I'll talk to you in a bit. to Shelbyville, Indiana, where we're going to pick up our big insulated panels. You'll see this truck coming right here. Give you an idea what we're getting. We've loaded over here a time too. This is a place they give you, or you get those free, the big free plastic edge protectors. So I already have a bunch, so I'll get a bunch more. See how busy they are. This place can be busy, but I'm in no hurry. We're only going down to Cincinnati, which is like 80 miles from here, and that's it. So we deliver these tomorrow morning. So hopefully we'll get loaded decent time, and then we'll go down and there's a Petro down the road not too far. And we'll go hang out at the Petro and get a shower and get cleaned up. There's about 3 or 4 trucks in front of us. About 3 or 4 in front of us. Alright, there we go. Just gonna stop. There he goes. Alright, let me go check in, get loaded, and I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Alright, it's the end of the day. We're done. We might drive down there. We got about an hour down to where we have to go, but we're sitting in the Petro. It's just is 2 o'clock, so it's a nice easy day. So let's go outside and we'll take a look at what we got. So this is what we got, some big insulated panels. Now these things run the whole length of the trailer, so these are all one piece, and there's 2 bundles, and you can see they run the whole length, so they're a full 48 feet. Now they throw the straps, and then they put all the little edge protector things up, and then they tighten them down. Now I do watch them and double check. Hang on, let me see if I can get around here without getting in the mud. I've dealt with enough mud already today. That's the interstate right there. That's 74. So yeah, so they throw the straps, they strap them down, but I double check, make sure that everything looks right. Other than that, it has been a pretty easy day. We got unloaded rather quickly. We got reloaded rather quickly. Tomorrow we deliver these things in Cincinnati, and then we reload in Florence, Kentucky, which is just outside of Cincinnati, and then reload there, more insulation, and we're taking that over to Missouri. So that'll be our load for tomorrow. So hadn't been too bad. All right, we'll call it quits for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.